Hello everybody, it's me, Bliss Marie, and today I attempted like wing liner with shadow, and this is the fairy look that I came up with, playing with the Fairy Frolic palette from Unearthly and some new Oden'S blush and highlights. That's what all this glitter is from. But I had a lot of fun experimenting with this look. It may not be my best, but hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Okay, for today's video, I'm going to be playing with my Unearthly Cosmetics Fairy Frolic palette. I've had it for months and I have yet to touch it. But these colors scream to me, to my very soul, my fairy soul, because I am indeed a fairy myself. And I'm going to be playing with the new Oden'S Solmane II highlights and blushes. I got 2 of each, but we're just going to make a hodgepodge of all of it on my face, whether it goes together or not. And we're going to see how that goes. So I'm going to attempt to do a very simple look, but it's going to be kind of structured, but not really. But I'm going to take Snapdragon, I believe that's what that says, this pretty mauvey pink shade, with this small liner brush. I'm going to coat that. I'm just going to go in the inner corner and just, this seems like a bad idea because I never do liner. So it's probably not going to come out straight. But I'm just going to start placing the color here and try to make it even on both sides. Yeah, this is too skinny. I need a thicker brush because I don't want it to be a skinny line. I want it to be bare and prominent. You know, I'll just blow it out with a blending brush. But for right now, like that. Except I want it more blown out. This brush is way too skinny, but we're just starting off experimenting. Let's see if I can even get this to look even. You know what? Who likes symmetry? That's boring. Already that's like definitely not symmetrical. I'm just going to blend this. And it doesn't need to be perfect because I'm going to cover it in shimmer. And like I said, I am definitely not great. I'm not great at liner stuff because I quit doing liner in my early 20s. I just decided it didn't look good on me, so I just stopped doing it. I used to wear it every day. I was very good at lining my eyes, and I decided I didn't like the way it looked on me, so I stopped. Like actual cat wing liner, which I'm gonna attempt to do with the green shade in here. I'm just gonna go in with this brush and just take it everywhere. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend that. Kind of wish I would just did this to begin with. Yeah, and we have something like this going on. I'm gonna go in with the green, but I'm gonna go in the green color here called Eden. I thought I said fawn. Not the same. I'm gonna pat that out. I'm just going to start on the base of my lashes. I'm not so sure about this look, guys. And this is not coming off as dark as I was expecting it to. I wonder if it's because I'm not using an actual eye primer. I'm just trying to use it for concealer. Yeah, I'm gonna stop with the eyes right there and just get my base on, and we'll be right back because this video might not see the light of day on my YouTube channel. Which I kind of had a feeling that might happen, but I'll be right back. I'm just gonna start playing with the blush. And I got the shade Roseate Love, which is a pink. I don't know if that's focusing at all. My camera doesn't love to focus, but I'm gonna probably focus more on this side so I get less of that pink overspray. And then the other blush shade I got was in Peach Gleam, which I'm gonna put both of them on my face, even though they probably don't go together. But I told you this was just gonna be a hodgepodge makeup video where I just throw everything on my face. Gonna take this duo fiber brush, and I mean, I kind of wish they didn't do the glittery overspray, but whatever. But this duo fiber brush, in case it gets too much pigment, hopefully not. But I'm gonna focus this blush to the back of my cheekbones. Oh, that's a very pretty color. Oh yes. You know, and I'll bring it up my forehead like I would a bronzer. Yeah, I think the duo fiber was the way to go, so I don't get too much impact at once when I don't want it. So that was Peach Gleam, which is very pretty. And now I'm gonna go in with this Roseate Love, Rosette Love with this blush brush. I'm gonna focus this on the fronts of my cheeks and blend it backwards. I actually like the way that looks. It's very sheeny. I was worried this would be more like a highlight on me, but I like it. That's fine. I like it. Oh yes, me gusta so far. That nice twinkle on my cheek. I'm going to take, I got Lavender Dream and the green one, which is called Moon Talk. And I know I said I'm not big on highlight, but the colorful highlights seem like more fun than regular highlights. So I think I'll just buy myself colorful highlights from now on. But I'm gonna go in with Moon Talk, which is so pretty to look at. I don't know if you can even see it. But yeah, I'm gonna swirly swirl. I don't know if my brush is gonna pick anything up, but I'm going to focus this. Oh yeah, I did pick up. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm gonna bring this into my brow bone. Why am I whispering? I'm just so in awe. I'm gonna put this in my brow and the backs of my cheeks with the Peach Gleam blush. I hope my lights aren't washing this out, but it probably is. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. I'm happy I got this green highlight. It's so much fun. Okay. I don't really have anything to wipe this off, so I'm just gonna use my pantaloons. I'm also gonna put this on and then go back to the eyes. Lavender Dream, guys. Lavender Dream. I couldn't not get these. They're just... Hello, hello. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. What?
Okay, goodbye.
Okay. Okay, as I was saying before my camera rudely died, that's not its fault. I didn't I didn't charge any of their batteries, so they went kaput. Bye bye camera. But we're back with the Lavender Dream And I'm gonna place this towards the front. Oh, that is very flaky. With, oh, I told you guys I'm a fairy. I may have gotten a little too much, so you know what? I'm gonna go back in with that pink blush and just blend on top. But I am having fun, whether this look comes out good or not. I am happy with my purchases. Oden'S is quickly becoming a favorite brand of mine. And now I'm thinking of getting that Solmane II palette anyways, because it just restocked. I don't know if it's still in stock. But now, I feel like I should get it. And because, I mean, I was already in love with the first palette I got from them. I don't know. All these textures are just so fun to play with. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the eyes and try to salvage that part before I go in with some of these shimmers maybe and the glitters on the highlights on my eyeballs. I think I'm gonna leave the pink as it is. I think that's fine. I'm fine with the way that is looking. It's the green that I need help with. We're going back in with Eden. And I'm just going to try. You know what, I think I'm gonna make it fatter and extend it a little more. And I'm going to put this green on the bottom as well. Yeah, I'm liking that more. It's coming together. I believe in my creativity. Now getting these wings even, I'm not even gonna worry about it because they're not gonna be even. But I'm having fun. And I hope you guys will take out your palettes and have fun as well. That's mainly why I'm on my channel to begin with, is just to have fun. I don't know why, but I got this to like a point and I can't do it on this eye. It's fine. It's a little more curved also, but that's also fine. Sisters, not twins. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave this here and start adding some shimmy shims. Shimmy shim shim shimmers. What am I looking for? Sponge. I think, you know, also what probably would help with my eyeballs is if I wasn't blind while I was doing this either, but who cares? I just wish this was sharper. The other side looks so much better. We're leaving that like that. Okay. Now, to decide on the shimmers. Also, I have no idea what lip color I'm going to use for this. I want to add a shimmer in the center part and then use the highlights on the rest. Which I don't know if that will also be a bad idea, but I think I'm going to go in with Meadow. Right here. Meadow. That chartreusey greeny gold. Oh, that was a very pretty color. But I'm going to tappy tap that. I don't know. I like it. Man. I'm not gonna fidget with these wings anymore, but I'm gonna take the highlights. How do you open this? There we go. Lavender Dream, Lavender Dream. Where's the brush I used with the pink? I'm going to just swirl the brush on this. Beautiful. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys, the imprints on these are so pretty. I hope it's focusing. If not, I'm sorry. I'm going to take this glitter highlight and I'm going to just spread the love. Because I want this to be a full-blown, very frolic-y glitter mess. Oh yes. what mama likes. Okay, I'm gonna take Moon Talk. I'm so happy I decided to go with these colors. I'm gonna take the same brush I used, the green, and just add this on top. I think I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna find a lip color and do my brows, and I'll be right back again. Be right back. Oh, and add mascara. This video is so chaotic and everywhere. Would you believe that I'm a Libra? I don't know. The chaotic Libra energy is what's going on. Okay, so I have decided on a lip color finally. Specifically 2. And you probably can hear all that noise. Probably shouldn't be talking over it. I'm gonna use Skyscraper Rose and Love of My Life from Lisa Eldridge. I'm gonna first go in with Skyscraper Rose, Love of My Life, which is a pink. And I'm gonna mainly focus this. I don't even know if this will go, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. Oh yeah, that's bright. Like that. And then I'm just gonna put Love of My Life on the rest of my lips, and let's see, maybe I should just go in with Love of My Life by itself. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. Take 2, be right back. Well, my lips are kind of stained pink now from those lipsticks, but I'm gonna try this lip gloss. Peachy. Maybe bring some of the warmth from the cheeks in. Is that any better, do you think? I'm not gonna keep rummaging through my stuff. So we're leaving it like this. And then this is the look. Alright guys, so this is what has happened during this video, which if you guys made it to this point, you guys already know. I should try to do like winged shadow more often. Kind of like the way it looks, and then I'll get better at it, you know? Practice makes perfecto, you know? You just need to practice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this very angelic look. I'm gleaming and glistening, if you couldn't tell. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you so wish. We can be friends. Do more chaotic makeup looks like this in the future with me, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.